ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms ho pho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka 3 Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
U nongyalam jong kalyang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ulaong kaseng Congress kalong kabala Pynkhreh ya ke election sha ke yeng dorbar thau ain jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kaban salong ha ka khandai tarik ubna yayong arhajar arpuwei habaya kren mat kilat pathai khubor u Dr. Mukul Sangma u balongru nongyalam jong ka Congress Legislature Party jong ka seng Congress ulaong Bakaseng Congress kalong kabala Pynkhreh yakani ke election MDC ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council badru wat yake election sha ke yeng dorbar thau ain jong ke jilla hakajo ko por ulaya thoru ba kaseng Congress kabashong hakaliang persya jong ke yeng dorbar thau ain jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kaladap jidru hadu sanpho % ki kertong ki ban aireng na ke tiket jong kaseng Congress hakani ke election MDC.
We are always prepared. We are always prepared. The workers at the grassroots level have been active all along, whether it is in Garo Hills, whether it is in Ghadc Hills, even if elections are held now for the whole state, I think we are ready. So as far as the party is concerned, yes, we are ready to face any election, whether district council or even the state election. We'll be happy if elections are held, if all the political parties agree to have election now, assembly election. It will save the state also, not just winnability. There are multiple factors. Winnability is one of the factors. Because winnability as a team, as a party, in the true spirit of democracy. In democracy, it is crucial for us to really strengthen the political party to which we belong, which we represent. Because when we serve, we will serve the state as a collective members of that political party. If political parties are weak, the state will be weak. If the political party and the leadership in this party is in the party, in any party, is found wanting in providing the right kind of direction or is found to be self-centric, then the state will suffer. Therefore, it's crucial for people also to look at the political parties, the people who are in the political party, the leadership in the political party. Announcement will take some time, but then more or less in 50% of the constituencies we have decided, but then we were waiting for further decision on the rest of the constituencies.